More of Snooki's very special treats coming right up.
Welcome back to Always Snooki. Ngayon ho, kasama natin ang popular na buwan. Popular na buwan. Katakot-takot.
Galingan mo ang intro mo, please lang.
Please lang, ha? Nag-aantay kami.
It seems that when the music and magic decided to part ways and do their own music, nandun pa rin ang magic sa kanila. Like si Fe, naging comedian and singer. Si Jet, singer, TV personality, director for concerts. Si Angeli, manager, businesswoman, and successful wife to Gary Valenciano. Plus a certain Bobby Tylo. Sino ba yun?
Happened to Mr. Bobby Tylo.
Oh, may nangyari ba yun?
Sino yun?
Si Butch. Sino ba yun, Bobby Tylo?
Ewan ko, sino ba yun?
Sino yun?
Hindi mo ba alam kung sino si Bobby Tylo?
De, si Bobby Tylo, siya ang musical director
Bobby?
ng ano yung Always Snooki.
Ito, si Bobby Tylo. Siya ang nag-a-arrange ng mga musical numbers dito sa Always Snooki. Bobby, would you like to greet your fans out there?
Yun lang.
Oh, Nonoy. Ano yung sasabi mo?
Wait, let's say something, you know? It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary this year. Kung hindi kami nag-disband, it's our 8th year.
Don't show your age, te. Don't
Nasa
show
grade
your
school
age.
pa pala ako noon.
Only 22.
Fe, pareho pa rin si Nonoy, nakalimutan na naman. Hindi daw siya...
Alam mo, kapag ang mo yung scriptwriter na show.
Hindi ako nakikita ng isang si Nonoy.
Kaya nga sabi ko, Nonoy, masalita ka na.
Makapakan niya si Nonoy.
But you know, tinan mo naman, ha? Sa Always Snooki pa kami nag-celebrate ng aming anniversary.
For the first time, Music and Magic get together.
You know, ang daming TV shows na talaga dahil pag nag-reunion kayo, gaya, kita mo naman, si Cookie pa. Siya pa yung Kula Desma kanina,
Si Butch.
Si Butch, ayan.
Ano masasabi ni Butch?
Si Butch, anong score namin,
Yun lang
Butch?
masasabi ko.
Ano score nila?
Anong score namin?
No.
Choreography?
Even though we've disbanded already, we still get to see each other once in a while.
Anniversary ho nila last week.
Actually, ganito yung nangyari.
Sama kami uli.
At saka ngayon lang nagsama si Angeli at saka si Vicky, di ba?
No.
Ruel, ganito
Hindi, di ba si
nangyari.
Vicky ang nagpalit kay Angeli?
Yeah, but we had some shows together.
Jet, ano masasabi mo?
Hindi, kasi ganito ang nangyari. Na since 8th year anniversary namin, nag-decide kami mag-party-party. Tapos Bobby got the idea, tara mag-guest tayo, parang reunion. That's why he thought about it. And we would like to thank Snooki. We would like to thank Tito Fritz for accommodating us here.
Hindi, pero gusto ko si Bobby, pero magsalita ka naman.
Hindi naman magsalita.
Ibang dialect niya.
Thank you.
Nawawala nga si Janet eh. Si Janet naglalagari eh.
Sa kabila na.
Snooks, first time ko dito, ha? First time ko kumanta. Talaga.
Kabado
After so many
pa
years.
lang.
So,
I'm sure Paolo is watching.
hopefully magkakaroon ng reunion ng Music and Magic, no?
right.
Kaya,
That's
so we just don't know when, but we would love to do it. Siguro next year.
Hopefully not when Fe turns 50.
No, hinihintay na lang namin yung isa pa, si Eva. Si Eva, pagbalik ni Eva dito sa Manila, yon magre-reunion kami. Tsaka,
Dali, habang ano.
si Janet nga pala.
Si Janet nga.
Ay, si Ko! Si Cookie!
Si Cookie!
Nagpahinga lang ako sandali kasi hindi ko masabayan yung energy ng Music and Magic. Ang aking mga idols, natupad na rin yung dream ko. Ngayon, ilalathala ko na sa inyo.
Pero ang galing-galing ni Snooki
Thank
talaga.
you. I-reveal ko lang sa inyo na noon ko pa ho dream na makasama ang Music and Magic. Ngayon, na-realize ko na ho ang aking dream.
it's a pleasure.
Ngayon, hindi, sumingit na ako kasi I just wanted to thank you guys for gracing the show this evening.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Talagang,
you also.
totoo to ha. Maraming salamat.
You're welcome.
Salamat din.
We hope to see you again.
See you soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ngayon po, don't go away folks. We'll be right back.
But before we go, we would like to introduce our
Manang Bola.
the big time